Hey. All right, this is my first unboxing, and I'm not going to be doing a lot of these. It's my birthday month, and if you know me, you know I love a bag. So, a reasonably priced bag. So, I'm opening this up. My birthday present.
What it is?
It's my birthday present to myself.
And can you guess what it is, guys? Can you guess yet? Can you guess? It's a bird.
That's my baby. It is the Coach Evelyn. And it's not the large one, it's the smaller one, because if you don't know, I'm very petite in height. I'm a shorty. So I got
bubble wrap.
You know the kids always want the bubble wrap. So yes, he got my bubble wrap. But y'all, I'm so in love already. Oh my gosh, as soon as I saw this, I was like, that's my birthday present to myself. I might buy a bag 3 times a year, Christmas, my birthday, and one random other time. But this is so pretty, oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to start taking off the wrapper. Oh my god, I can't believe it. And this bag is 3 days late because of the snowstorm that we had.
Yeah, which is horrible.
It was horrible. So I didn't pay $460 for this. I didn't pay $375. They lied. They lied. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take this wrapper off. Y'all don't need to see that part, y'all. I'm gonna come back when all the wrapper is off, okay? Okay, so I'm back and I took all the wrapping off, and this is how she looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's exactly what I thought it was gonna be. It's not gonna sit too long on me or like anything like that. This is how it's gonna look like on my frame, when I carry it. I love a shoulder bag. It's my favorite kind of bag. And I just love it. I didn't take all the stuffing out the middle yet because I leave all my bags stuffed so that they don't lose their shape. But oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear it out. Oh, I love it already. I'll come back and show you guys a video maybe of how I end up decorating it and stuff like that. But yeah, I thought I'd do my first unboxing for my little birthday bag that I bought myself. Okay. So I'm back and I've decorated my bag. So I have put these cherries on, these gold cherries from Amazon, and this chain. These babies I've had since 2022. I bought them in a bunch of different colors because it reminded me of my son when he was a baby. And even one of them I gave away one time. I was at the emergency room and there was this little boy who had like bust his head, and I gave it to him because he just looked so sad. I wanted him to not look so sad. What's in the bag? So I got some gloves. I got, I'm using this as my wallet. This is my Dunienberg Kiss Lock in navy. I have a bunch of tissues because it's winter and we got to keep the noses from running all over the place. Baby wipes. I got my feminine pouch with all my lady bits in it. My pouch with my teas, medicines, etc. Glasses, and also in here I keep my tie pen, an ink pen it looks like, and some disinfectant spray because you just never know. And then I got my lipsticks, perfumes, and stuff like that in this red Dooney Kiss Lock. But I got this in the sale that happened right before Christmas time 2025, so like a couple months ago. This is actually fairly new. So that's all that was in the bag. I'll show you guys the inside of the bag. It has, if I can, it has just this little tag right here, the Coach tag right here. But on this side, it has 2 slip pockets, which I didn't have anything inside of, but I usually put like lip gloss and gum in these pockets. But that's all. That's how I chose to dress her up, with the chain and my baby and my cherries. So far, so good. As you can see, I'm already wearing and loving the bag. I'm so glad I got this for myself for my birthday. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.